Rahim, Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you are fine. So, grade 3. Today we are going to start our new topic. Our topic name is Number Operation, page number 34. So, today I will teach you addition of 4-digit numbers. Addition means the process of calculating the total of two or more numbers or amounts. So first of all, let me tell you about addition without regrouping. So we write 2314, 4 at ones place, 1 as 10 place, 3 at 100 place and 2 at 1000 place. And then we add 1542. We ensure that we write the digits of both the number at the correct place. Now we are going to add the digits. So how do we do it? It's very simple. So we are starting from ones place. Start from the right. Add the ones first. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Well, step number 1 is add the ones. 4 ones plus 2 ones is equal to 6 ones. Then move to next. Step number 2 is add the tens. 1 tens plus 4 tens is equal to 5 tens. Then move to next. Step number 3 is add the hundreds. 3 hundreds plus 5 hundreds is equal to 8 hundreds. And then step number 4 is add the thousands. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, move to next. Next one is addition with regrouping, converting ones. First of all, place the value. Then we'll write the number like 4527 plus 4564. So step number 1 is add the ones. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11 ones. Well, we cannot write 11 here. One move to carry over to the next neighbor. So there are too many ones, so we change 10 ones into 1 tens. So step number 2 is add the tens. 6 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then step number 3 is add the hundreds. 5 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. And step number 4 is add the thousands. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So 8791 is our answer. Well, move to next. Next one is addition with regrouping, converting hundreds. For example, there is 3674 plus 2186. So step number 1 is add the ones. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So one move to carry over to next neighbor. So change to 110. Step number 2 is add the tens. 7 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 16. Again, we cannot write 16 here. Again, one move to carry over to the next neighbor. Then step number 3 is add the hundreds. 6 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 8. And step number 4 is add the thousands. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 5860 is our answer. Move to next. Next one is addition with regrouping converting thousands. Well, let's add together 1362 plus 1824. Here is some blocks. Now we are going to count these blocks. So when we count first value blocks, it will be 1362. And then we move to next. When we count these blocks, it will be 1824. But we can see there are too many hundreds in this value. So we change 10 hundreds into 1000. Therefore, when we add these values, we get 3186. Now we are going to take another example. 2652 plus 3846. Step number 1 is add the ones. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So we write 8. Move to next step number 2. Add the tens. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Then step number 3 is add the hundreds. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. We cannot write 14 here. So we change 1000 into 1000s. So we give 1 to our neighbors. Then step number 4 is add the thousands. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So 6498 is our answer. Move to next. Next one is add 2324 and 1542. First of all, write the numbers vertically and then add. And put numbers correctly according to the place value. Now we are going to start from the right side. Add ones. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then move to next. 2 plus 4 is 6. Then move to next. 3 plus 5 is 8. And the last one is thousands place. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we get 3866. Then we have another value 4652 and 912. Put numbers correctly according to the place values. Start from the right. First of all, place the values. Then we put the numbers. First of all, we add 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then move to next 10 place. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then move to next 100 place. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. 6 plus 9 gives me 15. So 5 comes here and 1 is carried over. Then 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So 5564 is our answer. Now we are going to take another example. Up till now we have added two numbers Following the same method, we can add the three numbers also. Now we have three values, 4582, next one is 377, and the last one is 16. Again, put numbers correctly according to the place values. Again, we follow these steps. Step number 1 is add the ones. 2 plus 7 plus 6 is equals to 15. Then we add tens. 8 plus 1 plus 7 plus 1 is equals to 17. And then move to hundreds place. 5 plus 3 plus 1 is 9. And then the last one is thousands place. So there is only 4 in thousands place. So we write 4 as it is. So 4975 is our answer. Now we are going to solve the exercise on page number 40. The first one is fill in the blanks. You will fill these blanks on your countdown book. Hopefully there will be no confusion. So that's the end of my lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.